Hello Panthers, believe it or not, school is right around the corner. And as we get ready to heat up for another school year, we're going to make a video every day to show you some of the great things that we've accomplished here this summer while you're on break to make Imagine Prep bigger, better, faster, stronger for next year. Today we're going to share the new mobile 3D printers that we got for our campus. Now we have two of these. These are going to be 100% mobile on the cart so they can go from classroom to classroom. What rooms will these be used in? Well, robotics is a perfect example. When our robotics teams are building robots, there's always different parts that you want to maybe replace. Instead of having to order it and wait for it to get shipped in, you can build it within a matter of minutes now on the 3D printer and implement it into that robot. Automotive shop, there's all kinds of parts for cars that these 3D printers can build. So again, now we don't have to go down to Pep Boys and purchase these. We can build them right here on the 3D printers. The great thing about these is there's all kinds of engineering principles and learning that take place when you use these. And by them being able to be mobile, we can have them in different classrooms. The great thing is it comes with a computer right there, and you can go ahead, program it, get whatever you need to get done on the 3D printer done while you're in class learning, and when you get out of class, it will be ready. I just programmed it here a few seconds ago, and it's slowly getting started, but it's going to make me some golf tees. It's summertime. I need to get out there and golf. I need to have some more golf tees. So instead of going to the PJ Superstore, purchasing those, it's going to go ahead now and make me some golf tees. So I'm equipped with what I need to be successful on the golf course, and ultimately these are going to equip you with what you need to be successful in the classrooms at a STEM college prep school.